ladies, it is Cool Car Chick, also known as Ziphorah Masethe, and I'm back for another round of your burning questions on car services and repairs. Firstly, we'd like to thank you for being a part of our You Go Girl campaign. It's been an absolute pleasure to empower each and every one of you with the knowledge about car services and repairs. This experience has been incredible. Thanks to you. For our final question, Lindy asked, do you also change brakes when doing a service, or is that separate from a service? Glad you asked this. You are in luck. As part of our comprehensive 62-point check, we do assess the vehicle's front and rear brake thickness to ensure that there's sufficient rotor grip. We also do go the extra mile and check your handbrake adjustment. And no worries, if you require a replacement part, our branch will reach out to you with a quote, as there's no additional work done without your consent. Check out carservicecity.co.za for our detailed service and repair offers. A huge thank you to every one of you incredible women that participated in our empowerment experience. From Car Service City and myself, we hope this helped you with your car service and repair knowledge. Keep those videos saved for when you need them. Remember, you go girl!